Hey guys, John Smith here with the Customer Factory, and I've got a little breaking news for you regarding Facebook and Facebook marketing right now. It's the silly season of politics right now, which is great if you're into watching the news and looking forward to all that drama that's going on, and we have an epic level of drama. But unfortunately, it's also spilling over into the marketing and advertising world in two different ways, and I want to give you basically what can be done about both ways. The first way is something that you may have noticed recently. If you're running Facebook ads and suddenly they're all getting disapproved or they're not working that well or something's going on, Facebook has a glitch in its system right now where it is marking certain ads as political ads that are not political. So they have a system for political ads which says they want to kind of watch and review political ads differently than they do other ads. So you actually have to register as a political organization. That way they don't have like Russians in here running ads in the United States or whatever going on, right? So if you're obviously not registered as a political organization and you're running political ads, then they're going to stop your ads from running. Problem is, their system has a glitch in it right now where it's thinking your ads are political ads even when they're not, and so you're not registered as a political organization, and so it just stops your ads or severely curtails their showing, right? The way you handle this is pretty easy. First of all, it's just a matter of time before Facebook fixes this glitch. This is probably just a few days problem that's going to happen. What you do to actually get around this now if you're running ads, and what we're doing is just going in and ask for a manual review of the ads. And you don't just add, you go into the groups of ads and you just say ask for the review. Ask for a review on all the different ads you have, because otherwise they might only review the one ad and leave all the ones you have turned off, right? So just ask, it's easy to just click the button, go down the way, ask for a review. They'll take care of it. I'm sure they're going to notice they get 1 billion people doing this in the next few days, and they'll sort it out, or maybe they're already sorting it out now. That's just a mistake. We just have to make sure they notice the mistake. So if you get that going on, don't worry. It's going to sort out. We've got it taken care of for our clients. It should be no problem if you're doing it yourself at home, right? The other thing, and maybe the more significant thing is, so John, what's going to happen to advertising when we go forward into this in the election cycle is that all these campaigns are going to buy up all the ads and we won't have any space and we can't run our own Facebook ads or they get very expensive or whatever. All right. Based on my experience, this is not going to be a significant problem. I'm going based on the last 2 election cycles. The one 2 years ago wasn't a major election cycle, and the one 4 years ago was less or so. Facebook was not as booked up as it was now. I don't see CPMs going up dramatically. I mean, maybe they're going to go up by 15 or 20% or something, maybe because they're going to take a lot of this inventory. But also at the same time, we have a lot of companies who used to buy ads a few months ago who are no longer in business buying ads. So it might just all average out. I don't know. I've not really seen a big change in the demand for Facebook ads other than when COVID came in and crashed demand, and then demand returned to a normal level. It hasn't been an elevated level. It's been a little softer than normal level from what I can tell. So I'm not really overly worried about this. I also know that political ads are usually very broad, and so we're very narrow in our marketing. So if you're very narrow on your targeting, on who you're going after, you can still go after those guys and outcompete with them on those markets that you need, because they'll just push those ads somewhere else. They're mostly just looking for mass eyeballs. They're looking for all people between certain ages, or all folks in a certain area, all likely voters in a certain area, so you don't have to worry about that too much, all right? So anyway, so when it comes to Facebook and political ads, that's your little update. Hopefully you get it all taken care of and have a really great week. Take care.